Look at that. Jesus.
Back by popular demand. Since this video was really popular, I brought it back. This is a full-length version of it, and enjoy. All right, I was told that in the Philippines there is this Filipino guy that he doesn't mass produce it. He makes CAMPAGNA T-REXs from scratch with your choice of engines or choice of drivetrain, and it looks pretty darn close to the original. I wouldn't say it's 100%, but I wanted to see it for myself, and that's what this video is all about. And we're gonna go get to the bottom of this. Enjoy the journey and enjoy the trip.
I know you want me. Something in the air. I know you want me. Something in the air. I know you want me.
Hey guys, I'm with the owner of anong pangalan sa shop ulit? Rogelio's shop, and this is the guy that did this vehicle right here. Okay, we're gonna take this thing for a ride, and he's gonna show us how everything runs and how this thing performs. And it's actually a multi-cab engine from a multi-cab, which is a commercial vehicle from Japan, a very small pickup truck. As you can see, it's got the transmission, it's carbureted, and this is a copy of the original CAMPAGNA T-REX. Okay, this is like a Philippines built unit, so this is something that's probably been vlogged before, but I wanted to get my hands on it and I wanted to get a test ride in one of these, so we're going to go take it out for a ride. How do they do one of those channels? We go like this. Okay, he's gonna turn this thing around so we can get a head start out of here. guys, here we go. We're on the inside, and unfortunately, it doesn't have a roll down window, but that's okay. It's going to get a little noisy in here. Right, kaibigan? Oh my God, it's got a backup camera. Woo! Okay. Mahina sa turning radius, huh? Or walang power steering? Oh. There we go. Oh my God.
This thing was pretty peppy, but I don't think it's really that fast, but it did rattle the crap out of my bones, and also the chassis of this thing was also rattling.
Guys, I'm literally in the middle of the province going at a high rate of speed. Oh my God. Yeah, she rattles, but it's okay. It's a lot of fun. Maluwag sa clutch? Suno? Yeah, we got a lot of people staring at us with this thing. It's like, what is it? Is it a motorcycle or is it a car? Oh, pwede mag-ikot dito. Oh, sound system. Now I'm gonna have to like cut the video out. Anong front end dito galing sa anong sakyan?
Ano?
Yeah, sa harap yung parts.
Multi-cam.
Multi-cam lahat?
Yeah.
Oh. So kailangan talaga mag-adjust sa turning radius so pwede mag... Wow. Look at that, guys. It's got a backup camera. So you can see where you're about to run into. Oh, here come the kids.
Like that?
Yeah.
This thing had a really good, really loud sound system with a gigantic amp mounted behind my head. It was pretty good. It was actually better than the performance of the car, but the car looks sexy as hell though.
Oh my God. That's what I'm talking about, guys.
This guy was trying to wave us down right in the middle of a test drive, a high speed one at, this guy's insanity. By the way, where he was trying to sell us balut, which is like a unfertilized duck egg, whatever you want to call it. So I thought that was mad.
This is how you have fun, guys. Okay? Paano maglalabas? Ganyan ba? Okay. Teka lang, sir. Huwag kang kaalis. Huwag kang kaalis.
Something in the air. I know you want me. Something in the air. I know you want me. Something in the air. I know you want me.
Galing mo design. And it's hot like a race car. Init pang race car talaga. Hey guys, we're back to the shop. That was amazing, guys, and I'd like to thank Rogelio for his hospitality and everything, and I finally got to see this thing with my own eyes. You know what I mean? All right, so thank you guys for watching the video. And I'm glad that you watched the video and enjoyed it. And please put a shout out for Rogelio's Auto. Rogelio Baldo, okay? He's over here in CAMPAGNA area, near the what is it? Mount Arayat. Yeah, Mount Arayat. Okay. And if you guys are interested in one of these, okay, the price it's a lot, but it's worth it. Okay. I mean, the fun is priceless. I mean, as you can see, what we went through, it was quite fun. All right, guys. So I'm gonna put a shout out at the end of the video, and then you guys can give him a call, and then he'll give me his number, and then I'll put in his shop number, and then you guys can give him a call. If you're interested in getting one of these or many other kinds of motorcycles and different kinds of cars that he makes by hand, by himself, with no help, okay? I mean, the brain of this guy is genius, okay? I'm pretty good, but this guy, he's really good. That's the reason why I had to come here and meet him myself, all right? So, BBG out.